Love na love ka ni Daddy. Pagtanda mo, manoodin mo tong video na to, tapos makikita mo, love na love ka namin ni Daddy. Lahat ng gusto mo, gagawin natin. Lahat ng ginagawa namin ni Mami, gagawin namin para mapasaya. I love you, baby.
Happy birthday, anak ko. Love na love ka ni Mami and Dad. Love you so much. Sana lumaki kang mabait at masaya, mapagmahal. Love na love ka na.
Hi! Greetings from Canada! My name is Tita Ann and we'd like to greet you happy birthday, Andres Alfonso Soriano. We hope to see you soon.
Hello Andres, this is Lolo Chris. Today is your birthday. We greet you a happy birthday. God bless you Apo.
Hello, my dear Apo. Happy birthday. Love you always.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday Andres.
Happy birthday, Andres.
Andres, happy birthday, Apo! Mahal na mahal ka ni Mama Te. Gusto ko pag nagkalambing ka kay Mama Te. Andres, happy birthday! God bless you!
Happy birthday, Andres. Love you. Miss you. Sana magkita tayo.
Happy birthday, Andres! We love you so much!
And Morgan, I love you! Happy first birthday, Andres.
Happy birthday, baby Andres! Ngayon is your first birthday. Sana lumaki ka maayos at may respeto sa magulang.
Happy birthday! I miss you so much, Bibisito. Hopefully, next year on your second birthday, magkasama tayo. Pasyal-pasyal. Alam mo yun. Miss you so much. Happy birthday ulit. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
God bless you.
Happy first birthday, Andres. Next time we will be besties.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Andres! We love you!
Happy birthday, Andres. We love you.
Happy birthday, Andres! Happy birthday, best friend Andres!
Happy first birthday, Andresito! We wish you all the best, good health, and always be happy and smile.
Yeah. I'm excited sa mga banding nyo ni Coco. For sure, madami yan. First na yung swimming. Ano pa yung susunod? Food trip? 2 more adventures na kasama kayo. Happy birthday! Love you!
Happy birthday, Andres! We love you!
Hello, Andres. Kapagmana ng Rancho Soriano. Be a good man. Not just boy. Happy birthday. Happy first birthday to you.